Hello, word. Welcome, everyone. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to help you expand your English vocabulary. Today's word is cow. A cow is a farm animal. Specifically, a cow is a female animal of the cattle species, and it's well known for producing milk. It's a very common word, and you'll hear it used all the time. In everyday language, we use the word cow to simply refer to this animal. Farmers raise cows for their milk, which we drink or use to make cheese, yogurt, and butter. You might see cows in fields or pastures. Now, let's explore some synonyms for cow. While there isn't a perfect single word replacement for cow that carries the exact same meaning, we can use broader terms like cattle or bovine. Cattle refers to a group of animals, including cows, bulls, and calves. For example, the farmer has a large herd of cattle. Bovine is a more formal, scientific term for animals belonging to the cattle family. You might hear it in a zoology class. The bovine species includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Another synonym, although slightly different as it refers to a younger cow that hasn't had a calf yet, is heifer. For example, the farmer is raising a young heifer to increase his milk production. Keep in mind, cattle is a group, bovine is scientific, and heifer is a young female. Now, what about antonyms? It's tricky to find a direct antonym for cow because it's a specific type of animal. Instead, we can consider contrasting terms based on characteristics or categories. A bull is a male cow, so it can be considered a contrast in terms of gender. For example, the bull is kept separate from the cows. Another contrast could be other farm animals that don't produce milk like sheep or horses. For example, unlike the cows, the sheep provide wool. Or the farmer uses horses to plow the fields, not cows. Another contrast could be a calf, which is a young cow. For example, the cow protects her calf. These aren't direct opposites, but they highlight different animals or characteristics in contrast to a cow. Let's talk about how we use cow in everyday life. You might say, I drink cow's milk every morning. Or, we visited a farm and saw many cows. You might also hear common expressions involving cows, such as don't have a cow, which means don't get upset. Although this expression is a bit old-fashioned. Another common expression is till the cows come home, meaning for a very long time. For example, we could talk about this till the cows come home. Sometimes people say cash cow to mean something that is a reliable source of income. For instance, that product is their cash cow. Here are some more usage examples of cow in sentences and phrases. The cow is eating grass in the field. The farmer milks the cows twice a day. The black and white cow is my favorite. The cow mooed loudly. How many cows are in the herd? The cow gave birth to a calf. The cow's milk is used to make cheese. The farmer feeds the cows hay in the winter. The price of cow's milk has increased. We saw cows grazing peacefully. To recap, a cow is a female farm animal that produces milk. Synonyms include cattle and bovine. Contrasting terms include bull, sheep, horse, and calf. We use cow in everyday conversations about farms, food, and animals. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. Remember, learning new words is a fantastic way to improve your English. Now, here's a call to action. Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and that's incredibly valuable. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word cow and share it as a comment below this video. I'd love to see what you come up with. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.